Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a Panasonic Technics SU-G700 or G700M2 stereo integrated amplifier, and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with this not connecting or not, making sound issues or not responding properly, a hard reset can fix a lot of these issues. Now the second reason is if for whatever reason you just want to wipe all the memory off of it and get it back to the way it was when it came out of the box, we can go ahead and do that. It's really simple to do. We're going to actually come over, and with it on, we're going to keep an eye on this display here, and we're going to come over to the controller, and on the controller we're going to come up and we're going to hit the amp button, and once we hit the amp button, then we're going to come down and hit the setup button. And once we hit the setup button, then we're just going to use the up and down arrows to toggle through the options, and then OK to select. So over here we'll toggle down until we get to initialization on here, and then we'll hit that OK button on the controller to select it, and then we'll just toggle. We just have to basically confirm it a bunch of times for different things. So we're just going to toggle to a yes, hit OK to confirm, toggle to yes again, hit OK to confirm, and then toggle to yes again and hit OK to confirm one more time, and everything will be reset to the factory default settings. You can go ahead and set this up as a new amp.